Let's start with a quick question. Which is harder on your health? Staying up late, smoking, drinking, or sitting for long hours? The answer might surprise you. It's sitting for long periods. Hi everyone, I'm Jimmy. Today, we're shining a light on how prolonged sitting can affect your well-being, and I'll show you 2 easy sets of TCM-inspired techniques to help revitalize your body's energy. So, why is sitting for too long a problem? When you stay seated for hours at a time, your circulation slows down. In traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, we talk about something called qi. Think of it as your body's vital energy and blood flow. Prolonged sitting causes qi and blood to pool in your lower body, reducing overall circulation. This gives less oxygen to the brain, leaving you tired, dizzy, or even down in spirits. Some studies also link long sitting to higher chances of certain health concerns. Researchers have observed common traits among people who sit too long: rounded backs and poor posture, tired eyes, pale or yellowish skin, lower back muscle strain, swelling or heaviness in the legs, digestive troubles, and a greater risk for issues like heart disease. From a TCM perspective, sitting too long is believed to block the flow of qi and blood, a phenomenon called qi stagnation and blood stasis. When your energy is stuck, you might experience poor sleep, slow digestion, bloating, constipation, or just low motivation. But here's the good news. Just 2 sets of simple practices can support the free flow of qi and blood around your body. Let's dive into the first group. We have 3 main points to activate: the palm roots, the lower back, and the heels. First, palm root tapping. Bring your hands together, fingers relaxed, and gently tap the base of your palms together, right where the palm meets the wrist. Do this 8 times in steady rhythm. Take a short break and repeat for a second round. If you feel a gentle warmth or redness in your palms, you're doing it right. According to TCM, this spot connects to important energy channels affecting the heart and lungs, which help drive qi and nourish the whole body. Next, lower back tapping, the Ba Liao region. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, make loose fists, and use the knuckle side of your hands to gently tap the area at the base of your spine, just above the buttocks. Start softly, then gradually increase the force. Again, do 8 taps per set for 2 sets. If you notice a warm sensation spreading from your lower back, your circulation is waking up. This spot is key for supporting energy flow to your legs, digestion, and relieving tension. Note, if you are pregnant, on your menstrual cycle, or have skin issues in this area, please avoid this technique. Third, heel bumping. Sit upright and use your hands to support yourself on a chair or sofa. Lift both feet slightly off the ground, bring your heels together, and gently bump the inside edges of your heels together 8 times, then repeat for a second set. Wait for a gentle warmth in your heels. That's the sign your qi and blood are getting a boost. This can be especially helpful if you have cold, numb, or restless legs. After a long session of work or even while watching TV, I often use these 3 taps to give my entire body's energy a little reset. Every time I feel noticeably refreshed and less tired. Now, on to the second set, stretching to activate your main energy channels. Stand with your feet hip width apart. First, bend forward at the waist, then slowly lean to each side. And lastly, gently arch your back. Do each movement about 20 times. In TCM, the front of your body is considered yin and the back is yang. These stretches help activate the Du and Ren meridians, major energy pathways that support the flow and balance of qi across your entire body. If you ever feel dizziness or fatigue after sitting for a while, these stretches may help boost your qi and refresh your mind. Another tip for the lower back: find a spot on either side of the second lumbar vertebra, called the Shenshu acupoint in TCM. Massage each side with your hands for about 3 minutes until the skin feels warm. Then make loose fists and tap gently down your lower back 20 times. This area is thought to be important for supporting vitality and easing tension from too much sitting. If your back often feels sore or weak after sitting, this gentle massage can be a great pick-me-up. That's it for today's wellness tips. If you often sit for more than 30 minutes or an hour at a time, try adding these simple exercises into your routine. Take a break, stretch, and reawaken your qi and blood. If you found this useful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with family or friends who spend a lot of time sitting. Let's support each other in staying healthy. See you next time.